Guys, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And this is a brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This boat is rigged and loaded. As you can see, it has the bow filler cushion, fishing package. One thing I do love about the Montauks, you can fish, you can play, you can entertain. So we did equip this with the JL audio stereo system and the Bimini top. We have the Simrad screen, takes care of your GPS, fish finder, etc. And last but not least, my favorite is the flip up rear seats. So for more information on any of our Boston Whalers, my name is Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Thank you.